JBL's Quantum Stream 360 just dropped, and it's the ultimate mic for streamers. 360-degree audio, RGB vibes, only $129. Stick with GadInsider to see why it's trending. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. JBL's new Quantum Stream 360 USB-C microphone is taking over, with 360-degree audio capture, customizable RGB lighting, and a $129 price tag that's got streamers buzzing. Let's dive into why content creators are obsessed and how it stacks up. The JBL Quantum Stream 360 is a USB-C condenser mic built for streaming, podcasting, and gaming. Its 360-degree pickup pattern captures crystal clear audio from all angles, perfect for dynamic setups or group casts. With a 96 kg sampling rate and dual 14mm electric condensers, it delivers pro-level sound. The removable RGB stand adds flair with customizable lighting, and it's got voice monitoring, mute, and gain controls for easy tweaks. At $129, it's a steal compared to pre-sure mics like the Blue Yeti, and it's plug-and-play with PC, Mac, or mobile via USB-C. Why is this mic blowing up? Streamers on X are raving about its versatility, solo streams, collabs, or even ASMR. The 360-degree capture nails it. The RGB lighting screams premium, syncing with your setup's vibe, and the compact design fits any desk. A YouTube review called it a must-have for its clear audio and ease of use, though some wish it had more pattern options like the standard Quantum Stream's dual modes. With content creation booming, this mic's affordability and style make it a Twitch and YouTube favorite. Ready to level up your streams? Pair it with JBL's Quantum 360p headset for a full setup, also $129. Follow GadInsider for hands-on reviews and tips to tweak your audio game. Stock's moving fast, so check retailers for deals. This mic's your ticket to pro-level content creation. That's the buzz on JBL's Quantum Stream 360. GadInsider fam, are you grabbing this mic for your streams or sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep the tech hype alive.